Let's talk about NIO. I don't know about you, but this manipulation needs to stop. And I can almost feel something big, very big is about to happen. NIO's on the roll with positive news catalysts as it moves forward with its EU expansion, recent upbeat interview with CEO William Li on Bloomberg, and rumors that Cathie Wood of ARK Invest may now buy NIO stocks for her ETF. In this video, I will share with you the latest news catalyst and give you my reasons on why I see a big move to NIO's share price is about to happen. So you might want to stick around for this. Swadikap, that's hello in Thai. My name is Anthony and welcome to Quantum Finance. If you find the video content of value, please help us grow this channel by liking and sharing the video. If you have not subscribed, please do so, and while you're at it, please hit the alert bell button below so that you can get my latest video upload. Also, if you want to get 2 free stocks for up to $1,850 each, be sure to use my link below in the description to open an account and deposit $100. Some of our viewers have received Tesla and Google stocks. Please note that this video is for pure entertainment and educational purpose only. I am not a licensed financial advisor. I am disclosing that I'm long on NIO, and no, I am not being paid by NIO, although it would be nice that they pay me to talk about their stock. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. The NIO stock manipulation needs to stop. Big institutions are taking advantage of the recent market correction to further shake out weak hands, and it seems to be working for them. Can't blame them, and can't blame the retail investors, especially when the new investor who got scared and panic sell. I'm sorry to hear that some of you lost some mullahs, but that's the stock market for you. It goes up and it goes down. We know Citron has been showing NIO since November 2020 with its price target set at $25. Now, Morgan Stanley analysts listed NIO share among the top Chinese stock listed in Hong Kong and United States to have been the biggest jump in short interest as of late of March. According to the Naked Short Report website, it is showing that NIO has a short ratio in the mid-40 to high 40%. Needless to say, it has been under a lot of selling pressure. This is despite positive news being released consistently one after another. NIO stock just seems to be dipping lower and lower and lower each day. I have a feeling though that NIO's upcoming earnings report this coming April 29th will surprise the market. NIO recently updated that its European team are ready to launch NIO in the EU market as early as next week. During the Shanghai Auto Show, NIO announced that it will launch its Power North plan, where they will deploy 100 power swap stations, 120 power mobiles, 500 power charger stations with over 2,000 power chargers, and over 10,000 destination chargers in 8 provinces and autonomous regions within 3 years. Building its ecosystem and infrastructure is key to China's expansion plan as it minimizes the range anxiety for its customers. Also featured in the auto show was the ET7 NIO House and NIO Life branding. CEO William Li was interviewed by Bloomberg on April 20, 2021. William summarized that the March was a record month for the EV market in China, where it was for the first time that EV sales accounted 10% of the total auto sales. He noted that more and more people are buying EVs in China. In Q1, NIO delivered over 20,000 vehicles and NIO reached its company's milestone of over 100,000 vehicles. He went on to state that NIO is very confident on future delivery outlook. When asked about increased competition, he responded that he welcomes competition as it quickens innovation. William stated that it is a long-term race or a marathon race, and he's confident in a long-term competition. He does see legacy brands launching competitive products, but they're still behind as latecomers in the EV market. He also sees high-tech players such as Baidu, Huawei, Xiaomi, and others to enter the EV market. When asked about the microchip shortage, he acknowledged that it will impact the auto industry globally, but as NIO's volume is relatively small, they're confident they can weather the situation. He did hope that the supplies will improve in the second half of 2021, but cited that Q2 will be a challenge. He also assured Bloomberg that NIO has built a team that oversees the entire supply chain to monitor the chip supplies and have been successful thus far. Moving on, it is interesting to note that Vijay Rakesh of Mizuho Security reiterated a buy rating on NIO. He stated that Q1 earning results could position it to raise 21 delivery outlooks. Vijay has a price target of $60 for NIO. Per tip rank, Vijay has a 69% success track record and is considered a 5-star analyst with an average of 27.7% return. As we approach a Q1 earnings report, I anticipate more analysts to issue positive and upbeat outlooks. Here is another potential positive catalyst that is still a rumor that Cathie Wood of ARK Invest could potentially add NIO to her ETF. This is what she has been quoted in her late March 2021 interview with Business Insider. Quote, I have been very impressed by China's focus on an electric vehicle, both from an environmental point of view and a technology point of view, unquote. She noted that her team was looking at NIO and other Chinese EV companies. Of course, this statement on its own does not conclude that ARK Invest will add NIO onto their ETF. My point is that Cathie Wood and team are a very smart group of people. I think they can see where NIO is heading, and therefore they're paying a lot closer attention to NIO than ever before. Should this be the case, I believe when NIO shares become a part of the ARK ETFs, there will be a substantial source of marginal inflows. Let's look at its daily chart. It closed at $38.90. It was up $1.97 or 5.33%. This is on an 86% of normal trading volume. Its MACD is relatively flat but rising and is below the zero level. RSI has reversed course and is trending up. If we look at the chart, we could see that it formed a pendant triangle. There are several points where it touches the triangle and it appears to have a breakout today. Its short-term indicator is bullish, while its intermediate term is still bearish. This will cause the share price to trade sideways, but not for long. As stated, I can feel that there's something big is about to happen. NIO will retest the 41.09 resistance level. I actually think it has the potential to blow right through it after its positive Q1 earnings report. Of course, this is a speculation on my part, but with everything that has been happening, and for the fact that NIO has been heavily manipulated, I sense the short squeeze is about to take place and create a potential pop in NIO's share price. Should NIO break through the 41.09 resistance level, I can see it continue its run to the $46 range in a couple weeks' time. If you like the technical analysis like this, especially with my entry and exit points along with the probability percentage, make sure to join our Quantum Finance Patreon page. Here's what some of our members are saying. Special thanks and shout out to Adam, Suwana, and Steve. Adam Brown stated, quote, great call. I've been making lots of moolah with this swing, quote. Suwana Mason Singh said, quote, thanks, I have learned a lot. I wish I would have joined earlier. It would have saved me thousands from making mistakes on investing, unquote. And lastly, Steve Berman stated, quote, Anthony, this is ideal information, especially for a beginner like myself. Best channel on YouTube by far, unquote. So there you have it. If you find the video of value and you have not already done so, please like and share the video. Please also hit the sub button and the alert bell. Thank you, and let's go make lots of moolah.